Okay. Micro pullback here on FTFT. Ooh, that's a bigger pullback than I want to see. So we may go back to NETE. We were halted at 9:30. NETE. Let's see if we can get in maybe on the resumption of that. Difficult to say. Let's see. This is how it goes. Still waiting for the scanners populate for some reason. He's starting the screen sharing software. Okay, so we have a pullback, and we're about to break the high. Okay, so we're breaking high day, so let's go long. So 140, 100, 220 right there. See if we can sell on the ask. Let's see. It's failed. Sold on the ass, $180 profit. So pretty good start to the morning, and we see it keep going here, so we can add back above the $half maybe for a small scalp. I want to wait for that $half level because $half and whole dollars are my sort of natural areas of resistance. So we got one more minute now until NET. Uh, so oh, broke over $half, and I kind of missed that, but it's hard when two stocks are in play. Let's do this for you guys. Not so good for me, but just trying to show. All right. Oh, NET is $20 stock. That's not even in my price range. Just caught that. Well, we'll sort of. Let's just see what it does. I should have enough capital, borrowing power. Let's just see. I mean, there's heavy volume here, so there could be a good opportunity. Okay, it's reopened, but it didn't reopen higher, and now it's going back down. So let's see here. We have a little pullback. Just next candle is making a new low, not a new high, so not a good time jumping yet. So Just gonna focus back on. Okay, now we have a new high, so now is a good entry. So we could do 1,000 shares maybe. Let's see. Oops. Okay. So bought at 1,000 shares. You see it's 20.09, and I was able to sell at 22.28. And a little hotkey slip up, had to cancel the first order. But not bad. So as you guys can see now, on the day I'm already up 1,500 bucks. It looks like NETE still wants to continue to run, but it's just not a stock I'm really comfortable trading. So I might leave that one alone. I had a big win, 1,300 bucks on that last trade. Uh, right now, Rocks, I can hear him in the chat room talking about uh, trading this one. That's where I got my watch list. Usually these pop up on the scans, and unfortunately, scanners are not populated still. So let's restart this chat room, see if we can figure out what's going on. I don't think it's back yet, but let me see. What do we do? It's not the best because I don't have the scanners to show you guys kind of how I operate. I don't really. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's going on. No screen sharing this time. Still the same. That's unfortunate. What's that? I can re-enter. I'm trying to show you, like, in a nutshell, kind of what I've been doing, and even here without a scanner, I'm able to just react based on the chart movement, which is, some indication of the stock's price movement. Quickly get in and out. So if we look at those first two trades, um, I was bought FTTFT 633.50, and then you can see 11 seconds later I sold right at 432. And then again at 636.25, and then literally 6 seconds later. I don't really wait for to ride these out to see how high they're going to go because I'm trying to minimize my market exposure, minimize my risk, and just take profits quick and early. And so I just want to have really good entries, getting in at the right moment when there's momentum for my long bias trades, which, this has worked out. I've always been long biased, and to have someone teaching me how to trade long bias has really worked out in my favor. I don't shorting seems a little foreign to me, you know. I'm sure I could. It's a skill I could develop and learn, but I just don't think I have a natural tendency to see like a shorting opportunity, unless it's some sort of reversal, which is obvious. But I've been focusing on momentum, breakouts, and not so much the reversals right now, just because skill-wise to develop, I think that'll be a lot easier my own independence. So, all right, I'm gonna pause this video here. If I get the scanners back, let's see. I'm reopening the chat right now, then I'll restart. But I only have 15 minutes of record time, and I just want to share a couple live trades. So, all right, thanks, guys. Well, I'm back. Just to recap real quick, there's still no screen share, so I'm gonna end the rest of this video here. That. Um, yeah, I need access to the scanner so I can see other things like the float, which helps me determine, the volatility of the stock that's in play, um, or I mean, its potential to move. So if something has a lot of outstanding shares, then fluctuations in price, it needs to see greater volume. And I just don't want to trade with the verbal alerts or like text message alerts. I feel like I don't have the right tools. And the first 7 minutes of today, I made $1,500, right? Yeah. And so just gonna share, added that to my tracking sheet here. And so 2 trades, 100% accuracy for today, so you can see here. Overall, I'm 61% accuracy, 38% losing. So this is since December 8th. And my total profits is $3,000. And what's really cool is it looks like I'm finally around that 2 to 1 profit. Like for every $2 that I win, I'm losing one, like in terms of risk. So that's where you want to be. So that today, so that's not bad. I just want to be consistent, like this. This you can do it for one day, that's good, but pretty cool. I'm on, I guess today's Wednesday, right? So I'm on another 3-day streak and of green. So the past 3 days, 20th, today 1500, yesterday was a 1700, and then Monday, I believe, was 300 or so. So, um, 3-day winning streak of all green days, not bad. Um, and today, 100% accuracy. I would probably keep trading, but I think this is a good place to stop, anyways, to be honest. Um, and then just really quickly here. So if we look at the trades, so just to show up again, FTFT, 1,000 shares at $4.30, or that was the limit price, but 414. So you're looking at pretty much $4,000 to make 180, right? 22 times 1,000. Now that's a little higher. Um, so yeah, that took, like 20 grand, right? So just to share, like, how much capital do you need to make these kinds of gains, for people who are curious. Yeah, so I mean, right now my account doesn't have that because of my learning curve, but I have the buying power to borrow still in it. So that's just to give an idea. And again, the way I see it, you're not risking that much. You would stop out, but well before you would lose that much. But you just um, want to keep in mind what type of capital do you need, in order to pattern day trade in. I think a balance of 25 and over